In this video, I'm going to show you my Neapolitan ice cream look because it's got vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. The first shade is the vanilla shade, and that is called What the Shell. The crease is Desert Rose. The strawberry shade is Rose Hips Don't Lie. And the chocolate shade is Oh Fudge. Amber came up with the name of this look, so I have to give her credit because that's good. So far I have applied brow lift and eye base, and now I'm going in with What the Shell. A little bit goes a long way with this color, so don't dig into the palette, just get a little and tap, tap, tap all the way across the lid to add brightness. To add a minimal crease color, we're going to use Desert Rose. It's barely going to look like you have anything there, but that's the point with this look. Apply above the eyeball, underneath the brow bone, thinner on the inside and higher up on the outside, and it will make you look like you have Spanx on your crease. Look how much tighter my lid looks. Now I'm going in with the corner brush with Rose Hips Don't Lie, which is our strawberry color. And this is going to give you a little bit more of a pink tone to the eye, but nothing that's too bright. After adding this color, you can definitely tell that it's giving it a more rosy tone. Now I am lining my eye with pitch black watercolor liner to give me that nice crisp frame to my eye. You can see how I kept it really thin for this look so I didn't overtake the lightness on the inner corner of my lid. Now I'm going in with the smoke brush with Oh Fudge. This is my chocolate shade, and this will diffuse the line and make it look airbrushed. It looks so pretty with that chocolatey smoke. Cleanup time with Nude Bisque concealer, starting towards the bottom of my eye and giving it a nice little scoop up towards the end of the brow to make everything look nice, lifted, and defined. I've just curled my lashes, and now I'm going in with Infinity Length mascara to finish off the look. And there you have it. The Neapolitan ice cream look.